Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to prepare for the TOEFL exam. First, familiarize yourself with the test structure, including its 4 sections: reading, listening, speaking, and writing. Each section has a specific time limit and question types. Next, assess your current English skills to pinpoint areas needing improvement. Finally, create a consistent study plan, dedicating specific times each week to practice. This structured approach will build a strong foundation for your success. For the reading section, engage with academic articles, textbooks, and journals to enhance your comprehension and vocabulary. Focus on understanding main ideas and supporting details. For listening, expose yourself to various English accents and topics, like lectures and conversations. Practice active listening and note-taking, as this skill is crucial for recalling information. Remember, consistent exposure is key to improving both these vital areas. To excel in speaking, practice responding to prompts under timed conditions. Focus on clarity, coherence, and using a range of vocabulary and grammatical structures. Record yourself to identify areas for improvement. For the writing section, learn to organize your essays with clear introductions, body paragraphs, and conclusions. Practice summarizing information and expressing opinions effectively. Expanding your vocabulary and mastering complex grammar will significantly boost your scores in both sections. Regularly taking full-length practice tests is essential to simulate the actual exam environment and build stamina. After each test, thoroughly review your answers, understanding why you made errors. This helps you learn from your mistakes and refine your strategies. On test day, manage your time wisely for each section and stay calm and focused. A well-rested mind and a positive attitude will contribute significantly to your overall performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.